No.
अरे
Happy birthday. Have you got any present from Ramuji or Surya till now?
Well, as you saw earlier, the splat on my face, or the little bit of splat on my face, what Surya tried, I can say that was my gift. But yeah, I mean, I think just being a part of Rakta Charitra and being a part of the sequence, what we're going to shoot today, I think it's all sort of a little bit action-paced and stuff like that. So I'm very enthusiastic about it, so I can say it's like one of my birthday gifts.
Do you like working on your birthday?
Well, I would see, work is worship, so you have to give importance to work. But on the contrary, I mean, I would like to spend some time with my family also, because I've not spent time with them.
Can I share a screen presence with you, Priya?
Please.
Like,
Yeah, this is Surya, by the way.
So, can you shed some light on your character? Obviously, you can't talk much about it, but just if you would.
I'm excited to play a real life character. No, it's not fantasy. It's not a thing which has been imagined. It is about a real life person who has lived with us in 12 years back. He's gone through the whole real thing.
What was the challenge as an actor to bring about this particular character, real life character, onto the celluloid?
The way I've expressed a dialogue, a scene, emotion, according to me, it's totally different. I haven't done this. I've been in this for the past 12, 13 years, but I haven't finished a scene, started a scene in this manner. So in that way, it's a whole new process for me.
How do you react to the ongoing IIFA controversy, where the South Indian Film Chambers are probably threatened to ban technicians, actors, whoever goes to IIFA?
It is
do
politics.
You think it's fair?
Yeah, it is politics, but I don't want to comment on that. I would support, the Tamilians there, and I really don't want to comment more than this. I don't want to get it politically wrong.
Do you think the existing Sri Lankan civil war in Sri Lanka is a far bigger issue than an award function?
I cannot actually say that if it will be bigger than the IIFA or if it will be smaller than the IIFA, but I mean, the IIFA awards are happening there, so it's well and good. I mean. Okay. But I really can't, I don't want to comment on matters saying whether you have to ban the films or you don't ban the films, or should the IIFA happen there when this thing is happening, or shouldn't it be happening. Well, I am nobody to say yes or no. If it's happening, it's happening.